finally got my hands on the TECNO CAMON 12 Air, Tecno's latest flagship device that sports a 6.55-inch Full HD display that makes it the device with the largest screen in the CAMON series. That's an amazing screen size for playing video games and watching movies, but with the front-facing camera for most devices, you really don't get the full screen size, right? So I expect to see bezels at the bottom of the screen and a screen display size rather, less than 6.55 inches, right? But it says here that it has a dot-in display. Interesting. Let's find out what that means. I really like the way the device looks and feels. TECNO calls this the Aurora Gradient design. Let's check out the display. This is the first time I'm seeing this sort of display on a TECNO device, and it looks like it's really going to be a long ride. So I might as well just watch a movie, checking out the display of course, and then seeing exactly how the dot-in display affects the viewing experience. Good thing that I got my earpiece here, so I might as well just immerse myself into this viewing experience. That was fun. So my trip's not over yet. So let's see how the device handles gaming. So that was good. I actually got to use the 6.55-inch screen as a display. Yes, I did, guys. And the device was really smooth and quite responsive while playing video games. And I'm sure that's because of the 3 GB of RAM. One thing I love about the dot-in display is the way it blends with different wallpapers. I took some nice indoor shots using the dot-in front-facing camera. So tell me what you think, guys. Alright guys, that's the end of my first trip with the CAMON 12 Air. I hope you enjoyed the ride as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at TechCity NG, and I'll see you next time. Oh, did I mention that the CAMON 12 Air goes for a proposed retail price of 42,500 Naira? Amazing.